Hey folks, is AI coming for your job? Experts predict millions of jobs will be replaced by AI, but don't panic just yet. Today I'm breaking down which jobs are most at risk and what you can do to stay ahead of AI. First up, let's talk about the jobs being replaced by AI. Data entry clerks, customer service reps, and retail workers are feeling the squeeze from AI chatbots and robotics. These roles involve repetitive tasks, which makes them prime candidates for automation, but don't lose hope. Now, on to the good news. There are jobs AI just can't replace yet. Roles that require human creativity, emotional intelligence, and critical thinking are pretty safe for now. Think teachers, therapists, and artists. These jobs need a human touch that AI simply can't replicate. So how can you future-proof your career? First, embrace the tech. Learn AI skills, digital marketing, coding, and creative problem-solving. Upskilling in these areas will make you more adaptable and valuable in the job market. Also, focus on strengthening your emotional intelligence and critical thinking skills. These are your best defense against automation. Remember, change can be scary, but it also brings opportunity. By staying informed and adaptable, you can thrive in this new AI-driven world. So take charge of your career and future-proof it today. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on navigating the modern job market. Catch you in the next one.